Okay, this is to let people know that in 2003 my sons were taken and sent over state lines by local police in Colebrook, New Hampshire. They were basically kidnapped and sent over to my wife's ex-husband, who used to beat her when they were married. And they are now living with him, and they say they don't want to be there. They were sent there because one door out of 4 doors was locked, and my oldest son was outside and he couldn't get in because I was fixing one door and it was locked and he couldn't get in. I told him to use one of the other doors. So the police came, arrested me, and brought me down to the police station, sent my oldest son to his father's house in Vermont that night, and said that there was a judge's order that we found out later on. There's no judge's order, no court orders, no DCYF involvement, which they're supposed to be to send kids out of to remove kids out of a house. And never this. No, when he filed for custody, no one wanted to admit that they've done wrong. Because basically the kids were kidnapped. No one wants to admit that. No one wanted to deal with them being kidnapped. Everyone wanted to deal with a custody issue, not a kidnap issue. We talked to some senators. They said, yeah, we've been done wrong. Everybody's overlooking it. But they said everyone has to admit that they've done wrong, but no one wants to admit that they've done wrong. So there's nothing that they're saying there's hardly anything that they can do because the court has already decided. But we want people to know. You see what they can say, gives the people who can have more voice than what we can. And we can change the law, help change some of the laws, and hopefully we can get the kids back soon. It's been 4 long, hard years, and hopefully this video will help the boys out. They are now 15 and 13, and they miss being home with us, and they want to be home. And I miss them. My mother misses them. I know this is a short video, that's all they give us time for. Okay, and that's all I can say. I hope somebody can help. I live in New Hampshire and the kids are living in Vermont. Okay.